D plus A Architects is 27 years young. When I say this, we are 12-member team, and average age of my team matches to the experience what we have, 27 years. We are very passionate about architecture. We love architecture and we serve architecture. Few of our projects are displayed here with some testimonials, informal testimonials rather. I got my first certificate from Mr. Satish and then from BNI. Otherwise, I do not have any particular testimonials which I can display. I have a book about Sri Nari Gandhi, architect, poetry of which is done by Masood Taj, and he has given me some remark on the book. You may have a look at it. When we serve architecture, we do it in a very comprehensive manner. A comprehensive means we design, but we not only design and draw the design, we specify, direct, coordinate and integrate all various aspects which have to go into making of a building. That is the building, the interior of the building, the surrounding and the landscape of the building, and then the structures and all the services like electrical, plumbing, air conditioning, networking, security systems, till the last detail. And we integrate all this into one wholesome, complete architecture. This is a mammoth task. So we do very few buildings at a time. Not more than about 10 or 12 projects we do at a time. Each project runs into 2 to 7 years span. We did a large residence, 45,000 square feet, single family house, where we did everything what I said, till the last detail of designing curtains. It was a big task. By doing this, we have developed some kind of a capacity to integrate large scale buildings, much complex. Say this 45,000 square feet is almost about 70 bedded hotel. And so now I want you to help me to get some hotel or resort project. It has the same complexity, same scale, but it will be used by many people. And that makes a lot of difference. I want to do projects which can be used by many people and not by a small family. I have selected 3 aspects today to describe D plus A Architects practice. One aspect is the complete design, which I described just now, which basically means that we do artistic integration of all the engineering which has to go into making of building. Well, there is some kind of a confusion about what is architecture. Normally it is felt, it is thought that architecture is beautiful building, a magnificent building, a very impressive building. But building is not architecture. If building is architecture, then you would marry a mannequin. Will you? Nobody will. That's because there is no heart, there is no soul, there is no life. So the life makes a difference, and that makes it architecture. We try to put that into our building. We do it in a very personalized way. Our personal attention to detail is the second aspect that I want to explain. Making the house, making a building artfully and profoundly is what makes our life and living profound. It is not enough just to like something. We should understand why we like it and why we don't like something. We become conscious of every move that we make, and that consciousness brings profundity to our life. The second part, what we grow into by our way of working, is the personal attention that we give, and that is most sought after by foreign and NRI clients. The multinationals and NRI clients have their own different kind of needs. They have some kind of apprehensions. What will happen in India? They have a lot of stories about it. We are fortunate to do a lot of works for NRIs and multinational companies. We win their confidence because of our personal attention to every detail that we do. The third aspect that I want to share with you is enhancing property worth. This is something, a new thing that I would like to introduce you to. It is like seeing before building and showing by building. We can see a building before it is built, and we can show you by building it. In fact, this I take it further. Before signing, you sign an agreement. If you consult me, I can tell you what is the worth of the property, which even the joint developer or the owner will not know. Even the investors will not know. Thereby, you can strike a very good deal. I can imagine what will be from the 14th floor, for instance. But all others can see only at the ground level that there is slum around. This makes a lot of difference in your project and profitability. And this becomes a stepping stone for my future projects. I have something to share with you. I can fruitfully refer you to Vaishnavi Builders, Vandana Builders, Encore Builders, and Managing Director of HOMAG GmbH, Govind Asudani, Member Board of Directors, Light Cooling Systems, Mrs. Gauri Ramu, Director Amsel Kito, Mr. Preet Heri, Mr. Prabhakar Rao, VP of Waldel, Mr. Vinay Bhushan, GM of VNS Global, Mr. Ravi Shankar, MD of ePeople HR. And I would like you to help me to get me some works which are of my interest: age-friendly homes, hotels and resorts, artists who would like to set up art gallery. I've already asked for Benedetto Kitchen. Connect me with your NRI friends and relatives, and I'll make sure that they will always thank you for connecting me with them. Advise your friends, promoters, investors, land developers to consult me, not only to finance and legal and then Vastu people, but also architect before you sign. Also connect me to schools, institutions, and educationalists. I promise that I'll do my best